Yeah, I go show for your case. I go slack back baby for your case. I go call MC Oluomo. I go report all of them. I go show for your case. I go slack back baby for your case. I go call MC Oluomo. I go report.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just filmed this hair that I'm having. Is really long and nice. People have been asking me if I can do a straight hair with the invisible parts. So yeah, I went ahead and made this video. If you cannot afford a closure and you want to, do without, or if you don't like closure, this is for you. You see how lovely this is. It's really nice and simple. So this is what I make. You can see the texture of this hair. This hair is amazing. The information about this hair is down in description box. Don't forget to check, and sometimes there are codes for that comes with all this hair if you want to order. So just check, make sure you check if there's a percentage and code. Christmas is coming, so if you want to get your hair some nice straight hair like this, just check this hair down in description box. If you're watching me for the very first time and you're not subscribed to me yet, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button so that we can be YouTube friends. Now the hair I'm going to use today is from LSY Beauty. It came in that package and it has this eyelashes, and I have a net like wig cap. And this hair is Brazilian straight hair. It came in 4 packs and they measured in 26 inches, 2 bundles, and 2 bundles of 24 inches. And unfortunately I was sent a 14 lace closure, which I will not be able to use because it will be too short, for this application. So yeah, that's what even the main reason. You can see the 14 inches is way too short for the bundles. So now that's why I just decided to just do without a bundle, just in case you want to make your hair and look nice for this season and you don't have a closure. You can also do this style. This hair is really beautiful. So first of all, you need your mannequin head and you need a wig cap. I'm using this stocking wig cap. This I'm going to double these two together, of course, because I want to create a U part. First of all, you can sew this in on your hair, but I didn't have much time to sit down to sew in my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and use a glue gun. So yeah, this is what a glue gun looks like if you don't know. So I'm going to make a straight part in the front to make where my U pack is going to fit. So I started by doing it in round the edge like this. I did it around the edge, then I started doing it from left to right. So you will see what I'll be doing. I'm not going to show the whole process. I have a video on how I make U parts. I'm going to put the link down in the description box. So I'm going to go from left to right until I start going in the U part. Then I get to the front. I make sure that I did the U until the end actually, and of course I was doing the flip over method, so this is what I was doing until I got to the top. So now this is the finished look. I've created a U part, and before I glued in this hair, I washed it, like co-washed it to see what it will look like. So this is what it looks like after it's washed. So what I did towards the U, the last two like weft, or like call it, like I didn't glue those two. I sew them down so that it can be more firm. So this is my braid pattern, and I'm going to sew on these two, and I'm going to put my U part on the rest. I'm going to just show you what I made. So I'm going to put this on right now. So I'm going to sew this on top of that part where the U is. Then I'm leaving the strand, the two cornrow going to the back. Then after, I'm going to sew on that part. I am so terrible at explaining. Oh my god. So now that I've finished the U part, so sewing down the U part, I'm going to use double my wefts here and sew down to cover the remaining parts also. So that's what I'll be showing you guys. So now I've sewn down the part, and I'm going to use the crochet braid to now finish it up with the invisible part. So I'll let you watch this, and I hope you understand this, what I'm doing. There's no how I'm going to explain it that you understand it unless you just watch it. So I'll let you just watch, but basically I'm going to just go pick some hair under and I just put it over, to create the illusion that this hair grew from, like my scalp. And another thing is that I find it very easy to do the parts on my left hand side, but when it comes to my right hand side, I find it very difficult and I don't get it evenly. But if I'm doing it on someone's hair, I can do it better. So I'll let you watch and see the final look, and don't forget to check the information down in the description box for this hair, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll talk to you soon. And so this is the final look. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to thumbs up and share this video, and drop me a nice comment, and I'll get back to you in the comment section. So until next time, bye.